You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With Mommy and Daddy, I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff. I'm Caillou, Caillou, Caillou. I'm Caillou. That's me. Where is Mars? Too sticky.
Caillou and his daddy were having fun building a model solar system together.
Do we have all the planets, Daddy?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Yes, we have them all.
Daddy! Rosie hungry.
Okay, Rosie, I'll get you a snack.
What that, Caillou? We're building a solar system for show and tell.
It's a model showing all of the planets, Rosie. The planets that are way up in the sky, like the stars. This is our planet, Earth.
Rosie wasn't very interested in the planets or solar systems. She was more interested in the bright round balls on the table.
Ball bouncy. Rosie! Come back here. Yay! No, Rosie. These balls are mine for my model.
They're Caillou's, Rosie. I'm sure you can find something else to play with. We can't have any planets missing from the solar system now, can we? What would you like for a snack, Rosie? Maybe some cheese and crackers? There we go.
Thank you. Mars? Then Earth?
What about you, Caillou? Would you like a snack?
Yes, please. I'm hungry.
I guess so. It's hard work building the universe.
Thanks. Thanks, Daddy. Hey, one of my planets is missing. Rosie, where is Mars? Mars?
Rosie had no idea what Caillou was talking about. She didn't know anything about the planets.
You know, the little red ball. Where is it? Rosie, no. I know you took it, Rosie. Give it back.
Rosie, do you have Caillou's little red ball?
Yes, she does. It's probably in her pocket. That's my car.
That's my keychain. You sure carry a lot in your pockets, Rosie. Are you sure that's everything? No ball?
No ball. But I know she has it, Daddy. Rosie is always taking my stuff. It's probably in her room.
Caillou thought he saw something underneath Rosie's bed. Dust bunnies.
It must be somewhere.
Caillou really wanted to find his ball. He wanted his model to be perfect for show and tell.
I can't show off my solar system without Mars. Daddy even said so.
We can't have any planets missing from the solar system now, can we?
It's gotta be here somewhere.
Caillou knew that little red planets didn't just disappear into space.
I know. It's probably in the living room. could it be? Money! Ugh, old popcorn. Eee! Gilbert's toy.
How's it going, Caillou?
Any luck finding Mars?
No, my model is ruined.
Couldn't you use something else for Mars, Caillou?
Like what? I don't have another red ball. This is all Rosie's fault.
I know you're upset, Caillou, but blaming Rosie isn't going to help.
And it isn't going to solve your problem. What if you color a white ball red with one of your markers?
Caillou thought about this for a moment. He really wanted to bring his model to show and tell.
I guess it could work.
Caillou's new planet wasn't quite as nice as his first one, but he was pleased nonetheless.
So, what do you think?
I think it's great, Caillou. It's sure to be a big hit at preschool. Miss Martin will love it.
Yeah, it is pretty good.
Patty cake, patty cake.
Caillou noticed something moving underneath the curtains. He wondered what it was.
Gilbert? My ball!
Caillou suddenly felt terrible. All this time he had been blaming Rosie.
Patty cake.
And it was Gilbert who ran off with Mars.
Bouncy ball! Yes, Rosie. Bouncy ball. It was Gilbert who took it. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have blamed you. Are you mad at me? Rosie happy.
Well, I'm glad to see you two making up. And now that you have your ball back, Caillou, you can attach it to your model.
No, I have a better idea. I want Rosie to have it. Here, Rosie. Thanks, Caillou.
Rosie was pleased with the ball, and Caillou was pleased too. He had said sorry, and he and Rosie were friends again.
Emma's Extra Snacks.
Caillou was enjoying painting a picture when...
Snack time.
Emma? It's not snack time yet, Caillou. You still have time to finish your artwork.
But Emma's eating her snack.
Emma has permission to eat extra snacks throughout the day.
Extra snacks?
Caillou didn't think it was very fair that Emma got to eat snacks when he didn't.
I have diabetes. What's that?
That's a good question, Caillou. I think it's time to explain it to the entire class. Children, gather around for a moment, please. Emma's parents have asked that Emma and I share something with you. Emma recently found out that she has type 1 diabetes, or juvenile diabetes. It's a kind of illness that some children get.
Illness?
Oh, no! Now, you don't have to worry about getting diabetes from Emma. It isn't contagious, like a flu. You can't catch it from others.
What is diabetes?
Well, everyone has sugar in their blood. But sometimes Emma's blood doesn't have the right amount of sugar. So Emma measures the sugar in her blood with this machine. She takes medicine, and sometimes she needs to eat extra snacks.
It's so I don't feel dizzy or tired.
Right. Now, any more questions?
Can we have extra snacks too?
I'm afraid not, Jay. But we'll have group snack time in a little while. Right now, you can all go back to what you were doing.
Miss Martin made everything sound fine, but Caillou didn't feel fine. He was worried about his friend Emma.
Oh, Emma, you forgot your sweater. But I don't want it. But you might catch cold. You should wear it, just in case. Okay, thanks. Space Captain to co-pilot, are you ready to land? Ready, Captain. There's Planet Mars. Let's go. Hey, where are you going? The planet's this way. Are you dizzy, Emma? Maybe you should come down. I am fine. I'm pretending the slide is a big mountain. Oh, well, I can hold your hand when you come down the slide. No, thanks. I can go by myself. Woo!
That night, Caillou was still worried about his friend.
Mommy, did you know that Emma is sick?
No, I didn't know that. I'm sure she'll feel better in a few days. But why don't you make her a get well card?
Okay. Hi, Emma. I can carry your bag for you. No, that's okay, Caillou. But you shouldn't be carrying anything heavy. Let me. Thanks.
You can carry mine, Caillou. And mine, too.
Hey, thanks, Caillou. Whoa, whoa. Here, Emma. I made this for you. But it's not my birthday. I know that. It's a card to make you feel better. Thanks, but I feel fine. Oh, well, that's great.
Caillou was very pleased. He thought since Emma was feeling fine, she must be all better.
Now, arms up, reach high up to the sky, on your tippy toes. Good job. Emma, it's time for your snack.
Caillou was confused. Emma had said she was fine, so why did she still need to have extra snacks?
Okay, children, now down, down, and touch your toes.
Emma must still be sick.
It was lunchtime, and Caillou was once again feeling a little worried about Emma.
Do you want my chicken noodle soup? No, thanks. I have my own lunch.
Caillou was disappointed. Chicken noodle soup always made him feel better.
Okay, class, just a quick reminder. After lunch, we're going to have our track and field afternoon.
Yay! Fun! Track and field!
Okay, you two. Are you ready to race?
Caillou didn't want to race against Emma, knowing she wasn't feeling well.
I'll win for sure, and that'll make Emma feel even worse. You should run real slow.
Okay, kids.
Caillou had vowed to run very slowly until he saw Emma speeding across the grass.
Emma, wait up!
Hooray! It's a tie.
You sure don't act sick. Sick? I'm not sick. But you've got type 1 something. Type 1 diabetes. It's not like a cold or flu, Caillou. It's just something I have to live with. Every day? Uh-huh. Every day. See this pump? It gives me my medicine so I feel well. I check my blood sugar level a lot, and the snacks help so I don't feel dizzy.
As Emma talked about all the things she does to take care of herself, Caillou began to feel a lot less worried.
Do you feel dizzy now, Emma? No. Then I'll race you again. Okay.
Caillou was happy that Emma could still do fun things. She had to live with an illness, but she could still live a full and energetic life. was having a very busy morning. Mummy had lots of things on her to-do list today. And Caillou and Rosie were helping. After they put away the groceries, they did the laundry.
Oops!
All done. Thank you so much for helping, Caillou.
What else is on your to-do list?
The next item on my list is running through the sprinkler.
Yay!
Lunchtime.
Where's my other sock? Mommy, I can't find my other sock. I looked everywhere.
We'll look for it after lunch. Now, where is that pot holder? I'm sure I had it. Come wash your hands.
Finished.
Someone's got a milk mustache.
Puppy! Where's Dingle Puppy?
It was just by your chair, wasn't it, honey? Where did it go?
Everything's disappearing. My sock, the pot holder, Rosie's puppy.
You're right, Caillou. It's very strange.
I can hear Rosie's Dingle Puppy. Puppy? Shh, Rosie. Listen. Under the couch.
Is Dinglepup walking around on his own?
No. Gilbert took him. And the pot holder. And my sock. Puppy!
So that's where everything's been disappearing to. You've gotten your claws into them, haven't you?
He sure likes scratching things.
No, Gilbert, shoo! Okay, who wants to go to the playground?
Me!
Let's find you a new pair of socks before we go, Caillou.
Let's go, Mommy.
I need to find my house keys first. Gilbert, did you take my keys? Something tells me you did. Not under here. Where did you put them?
I don't think Gilbert took your keys, Mommy.
No?
He took the sock and the pot holder and Dingle Puppy because they're all soft and he can scratch them with his claws. Your keys aren't soft.
That's very good thinking, Caillou. You may be right. But then, where are my keys?
I know how to find lost things. You have to go backwards and look in every place you went to.
That sounds like a good plan. Can you show me how?
The last thing we did was have lunch. Follow me. Rosie, go backwards. Now we look. Not here.
No. So where were we before lunch?
Outside. Come on.
Are my keys in there, Rosie?
No.
They're not out here. Where to now, Caillou?
Before this, we were in the laundry room. taking the clothes out of the washer.
Why, that's right.
Follow me. No keys. Nope, not here. Before this, we were in the kitchen putting the food away.
But we already looked there.
Before that, we brought the groceries inside.
No keys here. I know I had them when we came in because I used them to open the door. I still think Gilbert took them. Oh, Gilbert!
Oh, Gilbert! I know you didn't take them.
Caillou decided to keep going backward and look in the very last place Mommy had her keys.
Mommy! I found them!
I left them in the door. Oh, what a silly thing to do. Oh, Gilbert, you didn't take my keys after all. I'm sorry.
Mommy, can we give Gilbert my old sock to keep so we can scratch it all up? He really likes doing that.
I suppose so.
You're welcome. Pig out now?
Yes. And off we go.
Caillou had done a terrific job helping Mommy find her keys, and Gilbert wasn't to blame. This time,